Hey guys, fixer opportunity here in Encino, 4-bedroom, 3-bath.
Over 2,200 square feet. Let's walk in. Let's take a look at it.
Front entry, leading us to
Have high ceilings. Okay, bathroom here.
dining area.
It is a complete fixer. Complete.
This would be the kitchen area.
It's been got out already. Let's go to the backyard. It's all fenced. Tons of potential. Tons of potential. Let's walk to the second floor.
All bedrooms are on the second floor.
Has so much potential, these high ceilings. You can overlook the bottom. Okay, so let's go to see here. Big bedrooms.
Closet. Some more closets here.
Second bedroom. That's the third bedroom. As you guys can see, it needs a completely redone from floor to ceiling. There's a bathroom here that somebody started to work on it.
And this will be the master.
Big master, beautiful high ceilings.
Master bathroom.
What a beautiful project this could be.